Are you dead broke from spending so much money on Apple products? Always misplacing your iPhone connector? Tired of constantly having to replace it? Well, I have the solution for you. And your answer is a twist tie. And I'm not kidding. Stay tuned, guys. So today we're going to talk about something that I think is useful to everybody, unless you're not an Apple owner and you've got one of those Androids or something. Then I apologize. Maybe later something will be for you. But right now you just need three things, and it's going to be your iPhone headphones adapter, a pair of headphones, and you need a twist tie. That's it. So I figured I'd make this really simple and just do it right here so you can hear and see me talking and do all that good stuff. So you just take your adapter and you're gonna wrap one side around about 3 times, maybe 4. So there you got one. Then you're gonna attach the two. Bam. So now this is what you have. Now you're gonna take your other end, bring it over past this white part, and do the same thing over here, and you're gonna wrap maybe 3-4 times, right? Bam, 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 bam. And look what you got. Ooh. And you're like, what the heck is that for? What am I gonna use this for? Well, when you're on the airplane or when you're needing to switch back and forth, you just undo. And then guess what? You don't lose it. You're on the plane, I'll plug this right into the back of the seat where the, movie audio thing is. And then you're good to go. And you never lose it. And you just always keep it on. And then when you gotta reattach, it's right there. There you go, fam. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll talk to you guys later.